Hi, Walter Sauce. Shout out. Thank you. Thank you, Walter Sauce. Daniel Berry, thank you. Yo.
Say you, say me,
Say me.
say for always. That's the way it should be. Say you, say me, say it together. Actually, I had a dream, I had an awesome dream. People in the park.
How are you? I'm okay. Walter Sauce, thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Hello, hello. Edmond Juarez, hello, shout out. Thank you sa dyan, Tugang. Magayon ay. Sana all. Walter Sauce. And guys, please connect Walter Sauce. Saan ka tabi, be? Sa ano? Sa Cavite ako, kuya. Elmer Music Lover, hello. Salamat sa iyong pagbisita, Elmer Music. Sa Imus ako, kuya Edmond. Ayan, si Edmond, OPW ako sa iyo dyan. Tusok. Nilakay ko naman dito. shout out. Good afternoon, guys. Walter's thumbs up. The like button, guys. Please, thanks. Ayan, Walter Sauce. Guys, please connect to Walter Sauce channel. Walter Sauce, please drop your new upload video. They have new upload video. So we can thumbs up. Yeah. I don't know how to do it. I'm still learning. You're still learning. Okay, no problem. I will drop your link here. I will go to your video. Then I will paste it. And guys, please connect to Walter Sauce. Walter Sauce. Hi Perry, shout out. Ayan. Like this, Walter Sauce. Hi sis, Perry, shout out. Salamat. Loading, makadate ka lang. Upload ka. Pakunik ka na ng wifi mo dyan, day. Connect ka na wifi, day. Ayan guys, please connect to Walter Sauce. Nasaan na ba ako? Iba naman dito sa ano, live, no? Can I try this a little bit harder? Ayan guys, sa naka-pin. Please connect po tayo sa naka-pin. You're welcome, Walter Sauce. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your support also. You need to go to your video, then copy paste here in my live stream. That's all. Like that. Hi Raj, shout out. Bisita ng bahay ko, balikan po tayo sa Sabado. Grabe, Sabado pa talaga. Pakunik ka na dahil ng internet mo eh. You're welcome. Hi Raj, how are you? Guys, please connect po tayo sa nakapin. Please support Walter Sauce. What do you eat to look beautiful? I'm eat junk food. Joke. It's a joke. Thank you, Raj. How do you do? Tell me who to connect to. Tell me who to connect. Okay. Just go to your new videos. Just go to your video, your upload videos, then share, copy, paste. Like that. Then copy paste here in my live. Like that. Bubbles disturbing. Do you want I remove my bubbles? Sure. Sure. Crush. Up. Ito. Bing. It's okay? It's okay, Raj. Ayan. Ito na lang tayo. Best view of the day for me. Oh, you really? Charot. Tap na. Do you know? What do I know? Faster. Maybe you have a heart problem. Do you have a heart problem? I think you have a heart problem. No, I guess you have a heart problem. Guys, please connect and support to our friend Walter Sauce. And you are here for my heart. Oh really? Raj, please connect to the one I pin. Please support to our friend Walter Sauce. Thank you. Kuya Boy, good afternoon din po. Salamat sa pagbisita. Are you sure? Guys, connect po tayo sa nakapin. Salamat pag gusto nyo i-connect yan. Pasupport naman po kay Miss Walter Sauce. Kuya Roel, uy, shout out. Salamat sa iyo dyan. Magandang hapon po, Miss Bim. Ayan, nandito na ang aking mga masugid na fans. Kaway-kaway sa aking mga fans. Hello, guys. Hello. Good afternoon. Mag-stay hanggang mag-end. Tamsak dikit. Thank you. Mag-stay hanggang mag-end. Shout out. Galing naman ni mag-stay hanggang mag-end. Salamat sa support mo dyan. Shout out, Nine. Kuya Vlog. Hello. Shout out. Ayan, mag-stay hanggang mag-end. Bigyan kita ng jacket, ha? Shout out sa lahat. Mega love shoutout host. Thank you. Mag-stay hanggang mag-end. Parang host. Tamsak sweet po. Ay, thank you. Kuya Rules Parang. At patusok dyan. Yes, Raj. Shoutout sa aking 8,000 dyan. 8,000. 8,000 kaibigan. Will you come? No? What? What do you mean? Will you come? Ask where? Where? What do you mean? Mag-stay hanggang mag-end. Shout out. Naglalak. Hi guys, oh my god. Ganda ko dyan, ha. Thanks sa makapal na jacket host. Ayan na naman tayo, sa hang eh. Ano ba to? Why ay hang? Sayaw na. Sayaw ka dyan. Naghang na nga ako eh. Ano to? Mag-i-end na ba ako? Naghang na ako eh. Ganda ka dito ah. Yan na naman tayo eh. Ba't kaya naghahanga ako pag nagda-direct ako? Nagda-direct live ako, naghahanga ako guys. Guys, I need to off this. Bye bye everyone. Kailangan ko i-off muna to.